So, yes, children, yesterday and from past 3 days, we are learning this lesson, Gav Ki Sair. Okay, in this, we have learned many things that Jaya goes to the Gav to see her Dadaji. Okay, and then they go to have a stroll, they go to roam in the Gav, to have a walk in the Gav, to see how beautiful the Gav is. And then they see so many animals. They see the first animal is Guy. Guy means cow. Cow is with the baby. With the baby, Guy's baby is called Bachada. Yes, Guy's baby is called Bachada. So, which is the next animal they see, children? Yes, you can see Kutta dog. Kutta dog. They see Kutta dog. And what is the dog's baby in Hindi called, children? Pilla. Pilla. Kutta dog. Pilla is the baby. Children, Dadaji tells Jaya that Guy gives us doodh, and doodh is very good for her sehat. Sehat means our health. Yes, Guy gives us milk, doodh. And then Dadaji tells Jaya that Kutta हमारी रखवाली करता है. रखवाली means always protects us and takes care of us. Kutta dog. After that, Dadaji takes Jaya to one Jagah. Jagah means place. And what is this place, children? This is Astabal. Astabal is a place where the horses live. In English, for the place where the ghoda and ghodi, it means the horses live, is called stable. In English, the place where the horses live is called stable. In Hindi, where the ghoda, ghodi, the horses, ghode, where they stay is called astabal. 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 And then there was ghoda, ghodi. Ghoda means a male horse. Ghodi means a female horse. And the baby of the ghoda is called Bacheda. Wow, Bacheda. So cute. See, ghoda, ghodi, Bacheda. Staying in the astabal. उसके बाद जया सीज अ बिल्ली. बिल्ली मीन्स कैट. एंड बिल्ली के बच्चे को बच्चे कहते. ओके, बच्चा बच्चा बच्चा. टू, दो दो दो. दो मीन्स दो. दो मीन्स टू. एक दो. एक दो. दो बच्चे. बिल्ली के दो बच्चे. बिल्ली के दो बच्चे. एंड जया एंड दादाजी गिव्स द बिल्ली एंड बिल्ली के बच्चे को दूध, मिल्क. सो दे गिव बिल्ली एंड दो बच्चों को दूध, मिल्क. आफ्टर सम टाइम, चिल्ड्रन, Jaya sees a small ladka, chota ladka is taking the bakri and moving from one place to another, going from one place to another. And then kood kar means after jumping and jumping and jumping, khel ke, this small baby, the baby of the bakri is called Memna. Chota, small baby comes to the mummy and Jaya spends lot of time with this baby, Memna. So bakri, Memna. Bakri, Memna. And the last part is, children, that Daya, मैंने दादाजी को से पूछा, मीन्स जया आक्स दादाजी, क्या गांव में शेर, भालू और बाघ भी रहते हैं? So what is the meaning of शेर, children? As I have written here, शेर means lion, भालू means bear, and बाघ means tiger. So Jaya is asking दादाजी, in the गांव, in the village, does शेर, भालू and बाघ stay? Does lion, bear and tiger stay? So दादाजी ने कहा, दादाजी said, नहीं, no जया, शेर, भालू और बाघ जंगली means wild. जंगली यानी वाइल्ड. जानवर यानी एनिमल. वाइल्ड एनिमल. जंगली जानवर है. दिया जंगली जानवर. ये हमारे साथ. दे कैनॉट स्टे. नहीं रह सकते. दे कैनॉट स्टे विथ अस. तभी मैंने कहा. सो देन जया सेड, गाय, घोड़ा, कुत्ता, बकरी और बिल्ली. सो व्हाट जया सेड, ये सब भी हमारे ये तो भी जानवर है. इवन दिस आर द एनिमल्स. व्हाट जया इज सेइंग. बट दादाजी, इफ शेर, भालू and bagh, if they cannot stay, then why does the cow, horse, dog, goat and cat, they stay with us? They are also animals. So then तभी दादाजी ने मुझे बताया, said that ये सभी पालतू, पालतू means domestic, पालतू यानी डोमेस्टिक, दे आर डोमेस्टिक जानवर, जानवर यानी एनिमल, दिस आर डोमेस्टिक जानवर, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल, दे कैन स्टे विथ अस बट नॉट द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, नॉट द वाइल्ड एनिमल, दे आर जंगली एनिमल्स, ओके। जो जानवर हमारे साथ रह सकते हैं, जो एनिमल्स हु कैन स्टे विथ अस, वे पालतू जानवर होते हैं, दे आर द डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स, दे कैन स्टे विथ अस, दे कैन पेट एनिमल्स, दे कैन स्टे विथ अस। घर आकर, अब घर मीन्स हाउस, आकर मीन्स केम, आफ्टर कमिंग होम, मैंने माता पिता मीन जया ने माता पिता को बताया, शी सेड कि दादाजी का गाँव मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, वाव mama daddy, I love dadaji's gaon too much. So how did you enjoy the class, children? I hope so you enjoyed the lesson. Okay, so what you have to do in your Hindi notebook, you will open one page in the Hindi notebook, you will always write the dinank to your left side, date, part, art, gaon ki se, the name of the lesson and the number of the lesson you will write here. Okay, the lesson number you will write here and the name of the lesson, then you will draw just as I have drawn this, a village I have drawn here. Okay, I have drawn a village here, and then I have drawn the guy, cow, ghoda, horse, bakri I have drawn, and I have done a astabal. I have done a ped, tree, suraj, sun, badal, clouds. Okay, so if you want to add any other animals, you can add. So you can draw and color, children. Okay, so children, I hope you draw and color this in your Hindi notebook. Thank you.